Guess the animal sound. Listen carefully. What animal is this? Here comes the next sound. Can you guess which animal makes it? All right, kids, listen closely. What animal could that be? New round. Pay attention to the sound. Do you know this animal? Let's test your ears again. What animal makes this noise? Are you ready? Here comes the sound. What animal is it? Listen carefully. This animal is very interesting. Can you guess it? Okay, next one. What animal do you think makes this sound? Here we go. Close your eyes and listen. Which animal is that? Time to guess again. What animal makes this sound? Another sound is coming. Get ready. What animal could it be? Final one. Listen very carefully. Do you know this animal?